A new year, a new challenge. Let's go. We're going to dive into the computer and show you all of our prerequisites and our strategy to grow this count from $500 to $25,000 by the end of the year. What's going on, guys? Johnny Trades here, and if you have not watched any of my morning live day trading sessions, that's where I go live with our Learn to Earn team every morning at market open. Definitely smash that link below in the description, the first link, and you'll get access to our private Discord. It is 100% free, but it is available to everyone, and you are able to access me also by direct messaging me through there. Now, guys, the $500 challenge, it's going to be simple, straight to the point, and easy to understand. We are going to take $500, as you can see. I took a little bit too much out, and we only ended up with like $203 or $204 or something right here. So what I did was I added another 300. Okay, we're at $500, and right now today in our live trading session, you can go back and watch that. We made $10 or 1.25%. Now, the percentage might not be accurate because I think that'd be more around 2%. So 2% on the day. But what I want to showcase is your ability, or my ability, to grow a small account, 2 to 5% a day, which is very aggressive. But the ultimate goal is making about 10% a week. Now, if we can make more than that, great. Less, that's okay. But the point is to grow this account over time and have you guys follow along with me and potentially grow your account too as we go through the year. Now, I already did this last year. This is another year, okay? This is 2025. In 2024, around, what was it, April or May, I started a $500 account challenge. Grew that account up to $10,000, guys, in less than a year. So now we're pushing myself to grow this account from $500 to $25,000 this year, okay? If we don't make it, we only get halfway there and we get another 10, I'm happy with that. And if we make it to 25, I'll be even more happy. Okay, so this is the back end of WEBULL. We're going to be going over this probably a lot more in this year's episodes and this year's challenge. We didn't go over this as much last year, but we will be going over it more this year, and I'm going to try to do a better job of like having you guys keep track of it and all that as well. So up $10 is around 2%. It was actually closer to $14, up 3%, and sold a little late. Trading P&L $8, as you can see here. In this first 5 days of the year, we made 42 cents on Mara, lost 20 cents on Peloton, made 8.75 on Soundhound, which doesn't seem right because we just made the $10.06. I don't know. And then GOGL down 8 cents. So not bad, up already $13.65 on this $500 account, so can't complain, okay? Now, what did we trade today? We traded Sound. We identified key levels of support and resistance right here. Going over the weekend, it held this $20.50 support level, very good. It had the it did have the chance of going down 1930 support, but what happened is it stayed above these moving averages and the support level enough to where it gave me the confidence to track it and potentially take a trade on it. Now what happened is this big move happened within the first 1 minute. This was a 1 minute candle, and majority of that move was made in that 1 minute candle. From 20.56 to 21.27, it went up 73 cents or 3.5%. So in 1 minute I lost 3.5% of this beautiful 10% move here, right? 11% in the first 30 minutes of the market open. And honestly, it made about 11% in the first 15 minutes of the market open, resulting in a 10% profit, $2 per share. I got in with a $500 position, but not till way up here. If I would have got in down here, it would have been a $50 day, and it would have been a 10% profit on the day instead of 1%. But nonetheless, I didn't want to not trade anything today. I waited for the bounce and the confirmation that there was support at this previous resistance. It pulled back, tested that 9-day EMA, pushed up. That's when I bought in. I bought in here and here, bought a little more here at that pullback, and then sold at that first sign of a pullback. Sold here when I noticed it wasn't holding up on that 9-day EMA. Sorry, and then sold again right here, again as it was selling off, but it seemed to have held. We sold a little bit too low at 36 and 26, also selling 10 shares at 35, even just holding those shares up to 75 or 85 a little bit longer after that live stream ended, or holding it up until the point I ended the live stream here at 803, 804 would have resulted in a little bit extra money. That would have probably given me that $13 or $14 that we were looking for, right? Also sold at 22.60. So that was a great price point to sell at, 22.60. It was literally right here at this level. So I was happy with the trade. The only thing is that I would have liked to have gotten in sooner. So moving forward, what I'm going to do is I'm going to limit how many companies I'm watching to maybe 2 or 3, right? Because I have multiple screens, but I don't really want to have a ton of, like, I don't want to have like 6 screens up over here looking at all kinds of different charts, right? I want to make sure that I am taking the best trade possible. Like even SMCI was a beautiful trade today, pushing from $35, okay, $35 guys, to $38.50 for a 10% profit, again in about 15 minutes. So there was quite a few 10% gainers today, this morning, on some solid companies that I would not mind investing in. Usually don't see 10% plus gainers unless you are momentum trading or trading like micro like penny stocks, and low flow stocks. But we had some really good moves today in the market. SMCI up 10%, MU up 10%. Sound at one point was up 10-11%, still up 8% on the day. And so very exciting to see what happens in tomorrow's live day trading session. BBB up 7%. What else? MU up 10%. So these are the ones we track every single week. About 20-ish, 25 companies or so. Bitcoin up to 101,000, which means tomorrow just touched $20. So it's looking good. Great start to a new year. Very excited to be able to share it with you guys. Also, one last thing I want you guys to be aware. I'm like totally multitasking here, guys. I have a series of helpful videos coming out this week, and I will be also adding them to our Learn to Earn lesson library. This is a series of helpful videos that will hopefully inspire you and also help educate you in learning how to make money in the stock market. Anywhere from indicators to moving averages to, how to take a trade properly and set up a trade plan, to even the super basic level questions like what is a stock, what is a brokerage account, and how do I set one up. It's all available for you in that Learn to Earn lesson library. Now, after you watch these series of videos, you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via Discord, and I would gladly help. And if you haven't heard of this free Discord, it is a easy to access, 100% free community that I created for you all, where I share live market updates. You can see my trade ideas after the live streams end, and up to date whether I'm buying, selling, or holding certain positions throughout the day. You also have the opportunity to watch me trade live every single morning at market open with our Learn to Earn team, as I just wrapped up our morning session with them just now. And that is available Monday through Friday. As long as the market is open, I will be live trading the open. Now, this is a great way for new investors to learn how to make money. I know I'm a visual learner, and it's a great way for others to watch me trade and get inside my head as to why I'm taking that trade, why I'm buying more, why I'm selling, why am I locking in profits, all that live, okay? Highly recommend you tune into those live streams one of these mornings. Check it out. I trade Monday through Friday at market open. See you there. Meantime, watch some of my other helpful videos. There is one here and there's one here. Check them out. You will not be disappointed, as they do help many of our new members start their career. So appreciate your guys' time. Like always, remember, smash that like button and let's end the year on a green note. See you later.